renowned inner intelligent lightweight workshop for the production of crane main beams. Well, this intelligent robotic welding production line can help us achieve the speed of producing one crane main beam per hour. In the past, their operating system and core components of intelligent cranes were mostly based on European standards. In recent years, we have been increasing our investment in scientific research year by year and have independently developed the industry cranes underlying operating system known as AI crane, which has completely achieved import substitution. The new Chinese-style cranes we produce have significant advantages over traditional ones, with performance indicators that are on par with or even exceed international standards.